Let's rock and stone! Like that! Rock and stone! Bartender, round of Red Rock Blasters. Get in my gut. Ugh, never felt better. And stir! Rock and stone, yeah! Remember, leave no one behind!
This is a salvage mission. A previous crew lost their mini-mules, their drop pod, and their lives in this cave. Find and repair the lost mules, get the drop pod operational, and return to base. Expect heavy infestation, and try not to mess it up like your former colleagues.
Mine. There's charging! Can't see a thing! Ain't no hiding from me, bug! That's all you got, you slippery shit! Out of the way! I was born ready. Booyah! Clifford oppressor down! Weapon ready! You shouldn't need precious minerals. It will get you killed. I'm full. We're falling! Swallow this! The tin can is surely hungry today.
Well done. The mule is working again.
Sometimes I wonder if mining is all there is to life. Then I punch myself in the neck. Lock and load it. Flares recharging. Ordering a hacking pod.
Roger that. Hacking pod is launched and on its way. The hacking pod has landed. Hook it up to the Prospector data deposit so the hacking can begin.
Lock and load it. Hate to wait for flare charge. Born ready. Go fetch. These transmitter nodes are exploited from the nether.
We have connection. Hacking pod online. Begin the hacking when you're ready.
Cluster out! Save yourself! Weapon ready! Yeah! I was born ready! Born ready! All clear! Out of grenades! You're cute, but you're dead.
Good work.
Got the menace. Should have left my nose on the bloody spice. Loaded. Pow! Just what the talk. Bam! Weapon ready. Skull Crusher! Things are about to heat up, lads. Resupply ordered.
Supplies are on the way.
Resupply pod is here. And recovering fire! Board ready. Die! Ready to kill some more crates. Much better. It's on!
Team, you got a wave of Ebonite Glyphids heading your way. Guns down, stay close to the machine. It's supercharging your pickaxes to deal with them.
Whack-a-mole! Be gone! Booyah! Be gone! Bam! Eat it! Bam! What's this? Beat your maker, Crane! Bam! Reloaded! Bravo! Payday, lad!
Well done. Core infuser is active.
Praise the picker! Don't jinx it! For rock and stone! Time to hack that power station to pieces!
The hack has begun. Protect the pod while it does its magic.
No flare ready! Cluster grenade! Listen before you limit. Weapon ready!
Hacking drone under attack. The drone can't hack as long as there's bugs beating it up. Do something.
Gotta restart the hacking drone. Get your arse back to work! Knock.
Hacking commencing again. Need some pest control on the hacking drone. Hacking drone resuming hack. We got bogeys on the hacking drone. Blasted. The hacking drone has stopped. Kill those traitors off it now!
Buggered off inside his shell scrapyard.
Hack commencing.
Horn ready. Got a swarmer drone.
Keep the hacking drone secure. The hacking drone is at it again. Get those bastards off the hacking drone, now damn it!
Reactivating hacking drone.
The hacking drone is at it again.
The data deposit is hacked. Let's collect the data set. Getting supplies. I got the deposit. It tingles weirdly when you touch it. That will teach you. Lock and load it.
Data cell secured. Another successful stab at our rivals.
Watch for the cluster grenade! Go! Get to work! Flares ain't ready! Bam! Weapon ready! Got the stand sharp! Let's show them some pain! I ordered a resupply!
Supply pod launched. Better stand back.
You want something done right? You gotta do it yourself. Resupply arrived. Go restock. Stop 'em dead. I was born ready. Lock and load it. Dip light up. Ooh. Shield up. Shield charged. Grabbing ammo. God damn it, there's a pebble in my boot. Help me with the minerals here. Reloaded. What's this? I need you here. Maybe we're not gonna die after all. I have experienced worse. Weapon ready. I just put up a ziplock. Eat it! Ah, too steep. Zip line ready. Board ready. Slat! Deal. Getting more ammo. Red sugar. It's too steep. Weapon ready. Where is that damn tin can?
Nicely done, team. You just secured yourself a nice bonus.
Shield charged and ready. Feeling much better now. Where is that damn mule?
The mules are heading back. Follow them and let's get that drop pod fixed. Remember, you can always deposit on the side of the drop pod.
The time is up, Frank.
All mules secured. Now to get the pod working. First, establishing a proper connection between the pod and the space rig. Set up the uplink. Uplink ready. Triangulation initiated. Do not leave the triangulation zone or we will lose the connection. We only got one shot at this.
Locked and loaded.
Triangulation at 50%. 85%. Almost there.
Born ready.
Uplink triangulation completed. Remote control reestablished. Stand by, sending in fresh fuel cells for the drop pod.
I call it my hate. Loaded. Yes.
Fuel cells arrived. Connect them to the drop pod by dragging out the charge cable.
I was born ready. You're a stain on the floor.
Fuel cells connected. Now you just need to prep the fuel cells and the charge sequence will begin.
Born ready. Resupply ordered.
Stand back, supply pod inbound.
Time to restock.
Fuel cells charging. Stay close to keep them operational. We're expecting an increase in hostiles. One of you has to remain by the charging fuel cells. Get back there.
This one for
Fuel cells at 50%.
weapons ready. Have a loot box. Shield charged and ready. Reloaded.
Fuel cells at 75%. You're almost there.
Lock and load.
Fuel cells fully charged. Drop pod engine powering up. Hold your ground. We're almost ready to pull you and the goods out.
Charge. Weapon ready.
Pod reactor spooling up.
Die, monsters! Feel much better now.
Onboard mainframe booting.
Here we go.
Calculating orbital trajectory.
Ready.
Powering radiation shielding.
Need to get my pickaxe sharpened when we get there. Cluster grenade. No
calibrated.
Shield guard. Lift it better down. Weapons ready.
Drop pod powered up and ready to leave. It's time to bring it all home. Get on board, we're leaving with or without you. Good work. We're pulling you back in.